Day of national pride and remembrance as India celebrates the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. All eyes today are on Ekta Nagar in Gujarat, where the main Rashtriya Ekta Divas or the National Unity Day events will unfold in just about an hour from now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to lead the national celebrations. In fact, Amit Shah, by the way, just yesterday highlighted the monumental role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in uniting India post-independence and announced a series of grand celebrations to mark the Iron Man's 150th birth anniversary. It did get political as well because Amit Shah accused the Congress of deliberately sidelining Sardar Patel post-independence, delaying the Bharat Ratna by 41 years due to lack of respect. That's what Amit Shah claims. He further added that they failed to build any samadhi or memorial as well. He in fact credited Narendra Modi as Gujarat Chief Minister for commissioning the world-famous Statue of Unity and Sardar Patel Memorial. The Home Minister also announced a fortnight-long cultural program in Ekta Nagar, which starts tomorrow as in the 1st of November and goes on until the 15th of November. Live visuals coming in earlier on your screens from Ekta Nagar. Well, all eyes today are on Ekta Nagar in Gujarat, where the National Unity Day events will unfold in just a few hours from now, with the Prime Minister scheduled to actually lead these celebrations.
Country celebrates 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We also need to know on why he was called the Sardar, because he was the chief, and that's why he was addressed as Sardar. He was not just the force behind bringing the country together on multiple forums, but also one of the strength and also the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and the first Home Minister of India. Even though his term was only from 1947 to 1950, he of course wrote history in his own way with his strength and his commitment to the nation.
History will be written at the foot of the world's tallest statue as India celebrates the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man who built a united India. In Ekta Nagar, Gujarat's Narmada district, a grand parade and cultural extravaganza mark National Unity Day. A tribute not just to Patel's legacy, but to the spirit of India's unity in diversity.
नर्मदा में स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी है जो कि विश्व की सबसे ऊंची मूर्ति है, लेकिन सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की 150वीं जन्म जयंती पर जब यहाँ पर स्टैचू रोड पर महिलाओं का अलग अलग देश के प्रदेशों से आए कंटिंजेंट का यहाँ पर जब कदम से कदम मिलाकर चले, तो अंजलि आपको कैसा लगा? केरला कार्डर, बट यहाँ पर सब अलग अलग कार्डर से अलग अलग फोर्सेस से आई।
This is such a proud moment for all of us women here. We are from different parts of the country. Me from Kerala, we have from Gujarat or Assam, Tripura, and even to Jammu and Kashmir. So this is a great moment for all the women in country, and this is a true epitome of women power or Nari Shakti, as our Honorable PM calls it.
This year's celebration is unique. Every contingent is led by a woman officer, a first in India's National Unity Day parade. From the Border Security Force to the Central Reserve Police Force, women in uniform take the lead.
जनवरी की बात होती है और एकता परेड की बात होती है, ये अलग अनुभूति है और वो अलग अनुभूति है। आपके लिए क्या है?
This is being done like the Republic Day parade. I don't know how that is because I have not participated. But ma'am, the social capital we are building here is something else. And I think women empowering women is the main reflection this year, Ekta Divas ka. I think it will be more beautiful, more grand than Republic Day.
The parade showcases the might and discipline of India's security forces. From dog squads to mounted cavalry, from camel bands to motorcycle daredevils, every display celebrates India's courage and togetherness.
सरदार पटेल साहब का आजादी के बाद देश को एक करने में, आज के भारत के निर्माण में और एक भारत बनाने में कितना बड़ा योगदान है।
5 Shaurya Chakra awardees from the CRPF and 16 gallantry medal winners from the BSF march proudly, their valor etched in India's fight against Naxalism and terrorism. The tableau from 10 states and union territories, each celebrating the theme of unity in diversity, will bring alive the colors of India.
What makes it different from any other parade in the country or rather world?
So usually the biggest parade that happens in our country is Republic Day parade, where almost many contingents from army and CAPF do the parade. But this is the only parade where state police forces get to do such a huge parade in front of the PM, and that is a honor to all the state police forces.
Above, the Indian Air Force's Surya Kiran team paints the sky in tricolor, completing the spectacle of national pride.
चूंकि ये 150वीं जयंती है, इस बार विशेष आयोजन किया गया है और गृह मंत्रालय ने यह भी तय किया है कि आज के बाद हर 31 अक्टूबर को इसी प्रकार की भव्य परेड का आयोजन होगा।
Set between the Satpura and Vindhyanchal hills, Ekta Nagar stands as the symbol of Patel's dream, where India's strength lies in its togetherness. With Manogya Lohiwal in Ekta Nagar, Gujarat, NDTV Bureau Report.
My colleague Manogya joins us live as well this morning with the Prime Minister's plan of action. Manogya, take us through what to expect through the day, the schedule for the Prime Minister's visit, and when are the key ceremonies expected to begin?
Well, around 8 o'clock, you will see the ceremony begin, and with that, one after the other, beautiful marches, and of course, one of the biggest show of strength of the country's forces beyond 26th of January, where you see Republic Day parade in Delhi. But this is perhaps for the first time where all the forces will be led by women. All the contingents will be led by women, and that's what makes it even more interesting. The name of the location is Ekta Nagar, known as located in the Satpura range and Vindhyachal on the other side, but also giving you an idea that this is not just about reflecting the area of the tallest statue in the world, and also the Iron Man of India, known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, has been known by many names, including Sardar, which means chief. And that was an address that was made for him for the power and the prowess that he enjoyed in bringing the country together, on bringing almost 562 kingdoms before independence together on the same page, so that India is what it is, what it looks like today. He played a crucial role in it. However, acknowledging it one after the other by bringing all the forces together, be it CRPF, be it CISF, be it NSG, be it the state forces from Kerala to Jammu Kashmir, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, all coming together on the same road. Now, interestingly, this road is known as Statue Road, named after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The area has been developed recently. The dam has been done completely in the last decade, giving you an idea of the massive development in this tribal region, rather this backward region, extremely backward region, and the kind of a new India showcasing its strength with Surya Kiran, and on the other side, you have the latest hounds. And remember, these are not foreign hounds or German species, but the Indian species that have been trained so well to perform here, not just by winning hearts, but also ensuring that they add strength to the forces. Now, just giving you an idea on Prime Minister Narendra Modi being here today, not that the area is new to him. He has played a crucial role because he was the chief minister when the Narmada Dam was completed